Hello all. I'm presenting a paper in International Management Conference 2021 on the theme Innovative Management Practices in Troubled Times, which is organized by Center for Management Studies, Jamia Millia Islamia. On the research paper titled COVID-19 and Capital Structure of the Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, by Anjali Sisodia, that is me, research scholar, Delhi School of Management, Delhi Technological University. Now, when we are talking about the capital structure of any firm or the financing behavior, then here through this paper, we are trying to analyze that is it possible to plan the capital structure of financing, or is that financing is dependent on any theory? Now, this conclusion or the answer to this, which we have tried to find out and through the previous literatures and the references which are being quoted by the eminent authors, what we have derived that studies conducted on capital structure have shown the influence of capital structure theories on financing behavior. But now what we want to see that is this unanimous approach applicable throughout, or it needs a review in uncertain situation. When we say uncertain situation, we are talking about the situation which is prevailing right now. That means the question which is still and yet to be answered and has become more complex in the uncertain COVID-19 scenario. It has completely changed the era of planning, predictions, and procrastination. There has been a lot of research undertaken to accommodate the impact of capital structure determinant during COVID-19, and the study still continues. The study is undertaken to compare the impact of capital structure determinant on the debt equity structure during the COVID-19 and also prior to its existence. Now, what we have tried to do through this theory, through this research, through this paper, is that we are analyzing the capital structure determinants' impact on the debt equity structure, and the duration of the study which is being framed is during the COVID-19 and prior to COVID-19 existence. Why we are saying during the COVID-19, or and why not we are saying that after COVID-19? Reason is very much clear. The situation is still prevailing, so we cannot identify or tell the post and pre effect. Rather, we are considering the effect pre and during. The study basically aims to find out the role of tangibility, liquidity, non-debt tax shield, risk, size, growth, and profitability determinants on the capital structure financing, and to check the adversity in this scenario. What roles these determinants are playing on the capital structure financing, and also to check the adversity in this phase is to be answered. Now, just to make a little quote about these determinants, that these are not been randomly picked out of ignorance. Rather, these are being derived from the previous literatures, and it has been noticed that they are playing a significant role in deciding the capital structure of any firm. So these are the determinants which are being identified through the review of previous literatures. The COVID-19 has proved to be the unexpected, extremely difficult health emergency. It has influenced each and every sector in any economy. No matter it is pharmaceutical or energy, several businesses have faced the adverse scenario due to the major lockdown countrywide. The startups, small vendors, and daily wage earners' livelihood were almost devastated. That is very true. That the situation which the country has faced was not just applicable to one single industry, organization, or a city. Rather, it was being applicable throughout the country. And the adverse scenario which we have experienced, which have noticed, has caused a terrible impact on the startups, the small vendors, and the daily wage earners' livelihood. And many new ventures also emerged, which has grabbed this as an opportunity to enter the market with a new product named COVID-19 Essentials, establishing it as a necessity product. This paper aims to find out that the mentioned determinants of the capital structure have the significance during COVID-19 era as they had prior to its duration. The study is conducted to find out the impact of COVID-19 on one of the energy sector company, which is Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. It is believed that this sector has observed the adversity in this troubled time. Why am I taking this industry? Because I want to study the impact of this pandemic on an energy sector, and under Nifty Energy, I have considered ONGC, the Indian Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, to analyze the capital structure. It is believed that the sector has observed the adversity in this troubled time. The lockdown situation, which has reduced the use of oil and gas, is expected to influence the capital structure of the corporation. Thus, an attempt is made to throw light on the variation in behavior of capital structure determinants prior to and during COVID-19 duration. The 5 years data has been analyzed. 5 years data, the span of that data is from 2015-16 to 2019-20. That means we can say 3 years prior to COVID-19 and just 2 years after. The economy has observed the major lockdown in the pandemic period, hitting the manufacturing as well as service industry globally. Companies have accepted work from home for its employees. Hence, there was a drastic hit on the energy sector. And as no transport facilities were in operation, causing less petroleum consumption. This study is an attempt to analyze the impact of capital structure determinants on the Oil and Natural Gas Corporation debt equity ratio, as it is believed that it has impact both short term and long term. The government regulations were imposed nationwide during the COVID-19 pandemic, which has influenced each and every sector in an economy. The Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, being one of the Indian energy sector, under Nifty Energy, has been considered for evaluating the impact of the pandemic, specifically on its capital structure. This epidemic is not merely a health problem, but also disturbs the global economies and corporations in different aspects due to the governmental measures to fight against it, including mobility restrictions, stay-at-home orders, social distance policies, and community lockdowns. We all can understand the scenarios and the prevailing restrictions which were being levied by the government during this entire scenario. It has been noticed the impact of the information searched through Google search engine about COVID-19 on the financial market. A remarkable impact has been noticed and being recorded of the information searched through Google search engines about COVID-19 and its direct impact on the financial market. It has been reported that more search on the mentioned subject represents the perception of higher risk among the population. Yeah, more the search, more was the risk on the financial market, as there are instruments which deals with hedging against perceived risk. There are a lot of instruments which are being floated in the market on the hedging, and they were having a drastically impact on the financial market due to the information floated about the COVID-19. Now, this was the analysis part which was being undertaken on the determinants which were being identified for the study on capital structure of the Indian ONGC energy sector. We have noticed that the study being taken on these determinants, that is liquidity, non-detectable risk, size, growth, profitability, asset structure. What we found that risk is found to be playing a very significant role in determining the debt equity ratio of the this ONGC, as its p-value is less than 0.05, and this entire model is satisfactory, having the R square value 65%, though not much convincing. Reason being the R square value, which is the representation of the explanatory power of these variables, are actually showing that these variables are explaining the model to an extent of 65%. So not very much convincing, but yes, it is satisfactory, and the p-value of risk is giving supporting results about the determinants of the debt equity ratio. Now this is the risk residual plot showing the intersections. The conclusion part, it says that the result reveals that there is a considerable impact of risk variable on the capital structure of the firm. The oil and natural gas corporation sector in India has undergone rapid structural changes in the last 2 decades, and even before the COVID-19 pandemic arrived at Indian shores, the sector was teetering on the edge of a crisis. The reasons for this potential crisis-like situation were multifold. We cannot categorize just one single reason to be responsible for these crises, for the debt equity decline or the capital structure disturbance. Just one reason cannot be categorized. Accumulated debt due to less than anticipated sale of oil and natural gas in the power market, lower than anticipated demand for energy sector products due to economic slowdown and a large share of new capacity in the sector of both conventional and renewable energy. All these are the multifold situations which gave rise to this crisis. So the COVID-19 pandemic is, as per my perception, is observed to further weaken the already strained health of the power sector. And though right now this is the scenario which is very much predictable, and which, but yes, it will change, it will going to improve, but the trends which shows as per the study is being portrayed in this small study which is being undertaken on ONGC under Nifty Energy. This is all from my side. Thank you. Thank you.